Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I would like to show you how you can add a location to Google Maps. It is actually super simple guys, and I'm going to guide you through the step by step. So let us get right into it now, shall we? So access Google Maps, for instance, through the mobile application or through the web browser. And what you want to do here on your home screen of Google Maps is click on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner and choose the option add a missing place from that drop down menu. Now in the following guys, this menu or this window here will pop up where you will be given the opportunity to provide some information about the location or place you would like to add. For instance, starting with the name, it is required of course, as well as the category. You can assign categories to your location such as food and drink, shopping, services, hotels, outdoors, and so on and so forth, each one with a set of subcategories. Like for instance, if I click on food and drink, you will be given access to a list of subcategories such as these here: bakery, bar, restaurant, ice cream shop, and so on and so forth. Alright, so let me go back really quickly. After that, enter the address of the given location, which is required as well. All required fields have been marked with the star icon like that, so you can skip these for obvious reasons. And after that, you can either submit your location request to go public by clicking on that button here in the bottom right corner. In the following, Google Maps will review your submit or your request and determine whether the information you have provided are accurate or not, and if the location doesn't violate any guidelines and policies. Alternatively guys, to increase your chances of getting accepted, you may provide some additional information like opening hours, for instance, or contacts such as the given location's website or the phone number. You may also add and upload photos, for instance, by clicking on that button here, add photos, and locate photos on your device to upload them and to add them to your request. And that's all to it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.